Home for Homeless. Sheikh Babu Macha Trust donates land for eviction victims of Khetri Bengun Mamangching. New residential area to be named Babu Khul. Efforts to expedite construction. Chief Minister Nongtom Bambiren assures completion of Civil Secretariat in Mantribukhi by February end. Feuds of street vendors street against licensed vendors of Koyanban market. Urge government to have mercy of daily wage earning street vendors. And journalists revered. People remember investigative journalist N.K. Sanajauba on his 82nd birth anniversary at Lamyanba, Shanglen today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Sheikh Babu Macha Trust has donated land at Gurupath of Khetri Gao constituency for homeless people of Khetri Bengun Mamangching who were evicted from the forest reserved area. The trust has also announced to extend 80% assistance in construction of 65 houses for the Bengun eviction victims and to name the new residential area as Babu Khul. Trustee Sheikh Nurul Hassan said the initiative was undertaken acknowledging the plights facing the victims who were evicted from Khetri Bengun Mamangching on June 2nd this year.
Ngasi eviction na sogan khraba lam leizadraba singda lam yentokpase tasengna kendra se da khunda minariba community ahummak pangan maitai amade kabuisin no haiba community ahum asige manungda community amma hekto oibe ai natraga community loinamak oibe ai haiba community singasena karigamba matung tarapadasu sarkarna khudong chadaba amadagi tanja amadagi makhoibo mayum makai laibe yararo yaiduna eviction torpa taragasu Sheikh Babu Macha Memorial Trust na chawna adumak leptuna leiri.
Chief Minister Nongtom Bambiren inspected the ongoing works of the Civil Secretariat in Mantribukhi today and assured to complete the construction by February end next year. He also said efforts are on to initiate renovation of traffic roundels in near future. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the inspection at Civil Secretariat, Chief Minister Biren said another 150 workers will be engaged in the construction of Civil Secretariat next year to expedite work over and above the present 150 workers. The Chief Minister also disclosed that 10 projects were selected for inauguration and for laying foundation stone by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his state visit on January 4th. The Chief Minister also inspected the venue where reception program for the Prime Minister will be held at Hatta Kangjibong. Works Minister Thongam Beswajit, top government officials and BJP workers accompanied Chief Minister Biren during the inspection.
Government packet projects khara maruina ICP integrated check post koi Myanmar ga kariga India ga gate che si ya maruina yam thuna sanga da ba da ba aduga te major project khara chu sanga birungani aduga khoi gi leiri ba sahi government su sahi ani pharakpa aduga MP election su lakadauba adu sigi mari leinana khoi praja singa last 1.5 years da Taugiba, the Wayba Port Mayamdugi, Manipur Prajasing interact over Lakpani, Sida in Mayamda in a Piltoning Base, Prime Minister Lakpushi, the Quay President, Manipur Prajapunamana, Haranama, welcome Toshi, Mayampunama, Tumsana Lakpiraga, Mabu greeting Toba, Magi, Anna Mayam, the Manipur Gidam Pirum with the Basin, Warol Kra, the Mayampuna Tamin Nasia.
Cordon search operations were carried out in various places of Imphal West by Imphal West Police since early this morning as a part of the security measures ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's arrival on January 4th. A team of Imphal West Commando and civil police under the supervision of SP Imphal West, led by Additional SP Operation, carried out cordon and search operation at Keshampat Thiam Laikai and Keshampat Laimazam Laikai from 7 to 8:10 this morning. Around 400 individuals were verified, while 10 individuals, including a PLA belt out without proper identification documents, were picked up during the drive. The team also carried out search drive at Hotel Jehovah and Hotel Santoj in Pauna Bazaar from 8:10 to 8:55 a.m. No arrest was met during the second drive. Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Khumukchum Joy Kishan, has termed BJP government a cancer-stricken government awaiting its end. He was speaking at the political meeting organized by Hangang Block Congress Committee in connection with the upcoming Lok Sabha election at the residence of Congress leader Pangajam Sarachandra in Hangang Mayai Laikai today. Opposition MLA Joy Kishan said BJP is a party at doom and it cannot be saved. He alleged BJP of not walking the talks and accused the party of being obsessed with publicity. Joy Kishan also accused BJP of curtailing freedom of speech to meet its end.
Tombishna school da Shariba market asi Manipur Prajamyang bi quality Chautok Senia over market over the me have say Manipur Prajamyang Kami. In Siamagi people BJP Saga Laga Maha Tabaxu Rubbers Bagi Lambi the Mentri Mam poster Tempagi Kogi me poster Chembi Tabuk Chibigo and Baswe at the Tabamu Togabasu Yang Tona Pana Sri Narendra Bondishu Lakani Tang Marishida. Tama of the Congress say Tramana Tobunga Mamdabadu, Tatra Manate, Akoi Takun Manga Hapsens again. Tatra Tani Pui Manunda, Akoi she is Shabalo. I hire him of Colina, I do my other way go until the vehicle.
Taking part in the meet, MLA Nambol and MPCC Vice President N. Lokin accused the BJP-led central government of not taking off any welfare projects for the state in its over 4 years of rule. He wanted to know how Prime Minister Narendra Modi will befool people of the state again during his visit on January 4th. MPCC member P. Sarachandra predicted the end of Chief Minister N. Biren-led government when Congress forms government at the centre in near future. MPCC President T. N. Haukip, Congress MLA Suraj Kumar Okram and President of Hangang Block Congress Committee were among those present in the meet.
Handaki lakadurba Lok Sabha elections the Narendra Modi ki si January ki tarik marini. Sideda Mori ki the sari bado ikoi ki matam na sarlo sangane bama lauri. Atuka ma ki tam to tha manga tangara kada kari thabak ngoba. Sahi mari ka thani panda taurandra ba thabak tubu. Sideda Modi na la ka la kari no ba muk tau gudur to. Aikoi ki Manipur da chu adub banga si ki BJP na luching ba don manga na pul laga lari ba sarkar Manipur da July thada aikoi Manipur da BJP ki sakol lai bra do. Prajana soidna baki ura ani. Minna jo ugda ba bose kuidra Khatare
Awang Bharat BJP loisale aduga Kha Bharati Masagi Congress na khuling dana laiba Congress na trasu local party na khuling dana laiba jagani maramaduna lakador Lok Sabha election dadi handaki Bharat apan magi oina BJP gi yankhai phau karoidra haina pakhanaraba matam sida Shoidana BJP ki sarkar center da kaya ani center da Narendra Modi lairataba matamda Manipur ki BJP ki sarkar amadi Manipur ki BJP ki CM sidi ahing ama babu yauroi baro helalat pada loigani.
MLA Kundrakpam T.H. Lokeshwar asserted that the BJP government does not buy the Constitution of India. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the inaugural of Northern Students Club playground in Kundrakpam constituency today, MLA Lokeshwar expressed shock at the BJP's allegation that Kisorchan Wangkhemche's post was incited by the Congress. He refuted that there is no connection between Kisorchan and Congress party. He accused the BJP government of curving the freedom of expression to its advantage.
ngam freedom speech freedom expressive high be other the constitution like kari kan that means Narendra Modi losing ba India government ki object le sarkar se constitution bu violate to have ni mainly the constitution violate to have ni constitution bu thaje democracy thaje dictatorship ta masagi tawraga nipong kute on ki hajan baga hunjan baga ngangjan baga thakjan baga machmana khanna ba chainan ba chi kakte moi mathawa.
National Executive Member of Communist Party of India, Dr. Moirangthem Nara, has termed the BJP governance as the most critical phase for people of the state. He was speaking at the commemoration of Chinga Mifam initiated by Lamyanba Hijam Irawat on this day in 1938. Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council organized the event at Irawat Bhavan. Dr. Nara termed BJP as a political outfit of RSS. He alleged that the ideology of RSS and BJP is to convert India into Hindu's land. Dr. Nara called on people of the state to follow the ideology of Hijam Irawat, who worked for communal harmony for resolving issues facing the state. State Secretary of Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council, Laishram Satan Kumar, party leaders and workers attended the memorial event.
RSS है संस्थान असे मसीगी पॉलिटिकल आउटफिट ने अब बीजेपी से बीजेपी में सुन RSS की मोई लेजर फिलोसॉफी दी हिंदू राष्ट्र भारत असी हिंदू की लेपा मरमदुना हिंदू तब हरी वक्त फिलोसॉफी मदुदी लोलमा धर्ममा जातीयमा हिंदी गांगू हिंदू यू हिंदुस्तान बनाएगा हाई वो वखलो नसीदा भारत असी हिंदू की लेपा अनडेमोक्रेटिक होइबा कम्युनल होइबा ना खुनबकी तरफ त लेपा लाइरबकी मायोक थबक चथरबा अदुगुम मखलगी खुदोंग थिनियाय होइबा गवर्नमेंट अमने.
All Manipur Shop and Establishment Employees Association held its annual general body meet at Irawat Bhavan today. Plights facing shopkeepers and how to fully implement Manipur Shop and Establishment Act 1972 were discussed during the meet. Secretary of All India Trade Union Congress, L. Satan Kumar, attended the meet.
Maroina general body meeting say the Kanagadorisi wage board na lepa adu mokoi phangpham thokpa minimum wage masi phangdaba akoi dukan phamba yauri ba kaya ma hujik lei moi problem am sikse wage board ki phangpham thokpa madu ki fee na bagi wa aduga akoi ki shop and establishment act 1972 masi am thina implement tawna bagi maroina koi kana gumba dukan phamba yawa amana lekha tunga akoi moida akoi phangam thokpa moi workman thabak subam da lekhi da targati madui compensation pirana bagi offer.
Enraged street vendors have criticized that licensed vendors incited the government to evict them. A large number of street vendors stormed all the 3 Coimbatore markets and demanded to hold dialogue with leaders of the licensed vendors. Imphal West Police team, including SP of Imphal West, maintained a strict vigil to prevent any untoward incident as the situation became very tense. Top official of Manipur Police and officials of IMC intervened and tried to talk it out with the protesters. However, no agreement could be drawn. Speaking to Impact News, one protesting street vendors accused the licensed vendors of bringing immense plights to street vendors. She urged the government to have mercy on the poor daily wage earners.
Kaithen phamba humje che ima event sin khoi footpath ta phamba ji ya de haba odo moi di ina khun bang ta ni card pai bang moi gi ka ching do khoi loi pai ge moi footpath ta phamula khoi manung da sanga ka phamjara ge haba akhoi nungju nuksa da khai ba tor mem che khoi ang wai haba khamra akhoi me am changa ka phamage odo ga moi na phamula oba mahu chinara je haba.
On the other hand, licensed vendors condemned the protest by the street vendors. They opined that street vendors should raise the issues to either the Chief Minister or the Mahud department.
moidi makada gasna zu thiba nate free da moidi pareng loina ma phul lambi safam akoina yoli ba pose moina makada loi yola bania akoi gi gasna thiba ngamdre akoi di tha gi sarkar ro khoina tax se lupa cham thi moidi adu mo thiba nate ado moi su sarkar da moi gi phambam mafam ama piyu na tan bane hena phane na khale ai mota.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the lacking infrastructure of sub-divisional office in Samu Lamlang of Churachandpur district. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Sub-divisional office in Samu Lamlang of Churachandpur district, inaugurated in April 2015, is unable to function efficiently to deprivation of water and electricity over and above the lack of police barrack. Sub-divisional officer of Samu Lamlang, T. Thangmilan Haukip, stated that the office lacks staffs as well as infrastructures. He added that there is no separate electric transformer for the office and one has to travel around 2 kilometers to get water. The SDO intimated that there is no adequate revenue staff of the office and no regular chowkidar. He also mentioned that due to lack of police barrack for security, Punjab National Bank constructed inside the complex remains non-functional.
The problem faced by the SDO office is there is shortage of electricity. We did not have separate transformer, no. And then there is some shortage of revenue staff. Me and one Lambu as an attachment, he's only there. He will be retiring next year. Water supply, there is shortage of water supply also. There is no potable waters.
A one-day consultation program on child rights with special focus on protection of children from sexual offences, POCSO Act 2012 and Juvenile Justice Act 2015 was held at the conference hall of MVHA Ningthem Pukri Mapal today. The program was jointly organized by Manipur Peace and Integrity, MAPI Council and Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupilup. Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, T.H. Raj Keshore gave resourceful insights on the impact and challenges of POCSO Act 2012 in the society in the program. He said, anyone misbehaving with any child under 18 years are punishable under the POCSO Act. He reminded that people who keep silent about crimes against children are punishable, and even the police, if it fails to register an FIR against such crimes, are also punishable under the Act.
Angang di su taba nata beli cekit to bokse, malu pun namu terbayar. Angang nasi nata wakan kalaga ye mabok tan bedo ba tu malu yang kan ba, pada ni kan malu mas sem bedo buni, yang na akan punishment pangan bedo buni. Angang si the child friendly or mong da case ata han bedo buni, case tu na lo hen bedo buni. Darkar lega tadi angang si case tu teri memang dah magi panggu ya buma teng se. Jab cana pangan kanda masih ada bumba ceking o pangdri ba mi emo ke jam mana na, mangsa da ba mi emo ina. Hena kangat pa miya mo oiba ngam na bagi adugong mechanism yawa adugong balu siyang gato huni hena POCSO HSC.
Institution of Engineers India Manipur State Centre organized a seminar on power scenario of Manipur past, present and future at the auditorium of Government Polytechnic in Takil today. Speaking in the event, Commissioner of Power Department R.K. Dinesh, IAS, stated that power in Manipur has improved in the last few years in line with Prime Minister's vision to provide electricity in every household of India by 2022. Engineers presented papers and discussed on the merits and demerits of power system in Manipur during the seminar. A bee box distribution and honey exhibition was held at Ningthi village, Kamjong block, Kamjong district today. Crops Development Promoters Organization of Ningom Thong Kitna Patnung, Imphal East district organized the event under the Honey Mission Program of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME, Government of India. Member of National Khadi and Village Industries Board, MSME, Government of India, P. Ibochauba, CEO, KVUV, Lamphal PH Khangmaidun, and KVIC, SO, Imphal Deputy Director, Saleh Ashul Pau, attended the event. N.K. Sanajauba Memorial Observation Committee observed the 82nd birth anniversary of investigative journalist N.K. Sanajauba at Lamyanba Shanglin Palace compound today. Floral tributes were paid at the portrait of late Sanajauba in the event. MLA Yashkul T.H. Satyabrata handed over citation and 25,000 rupees each to veteran journalists Kangujam Madhu Mangol and Akojam Sanaton on the occasion. Speaking in the event, MLA Satyabrata remembered late Sanajauba as a patriotic person with great mind who took an active role in bringing Boy Scouts in the state. Editor of Imphal Free Press, Pradeep Panjobam, spoke on the theme "Media is free. What about responsibility?" in the event. He said, "Freedom comes with law." Many eminent persons of the state, family and friends of the late journalist attended the event.
Matam-matamgi laiba sarkargi oiro ngam thoksingi oiro asoiba kaya puthokna nainadana miyam khanganba ngamba du mamakhangi lamyan bamni asu mapamba miyam ngun thoktomba akhoi mayam sina ngasi sarkar da oiro mayam thoktom ba chin chung lu chung chung ma te yausel kanda lamyan nandru pamina bathoto thaba oino onthokoti kari kai
freedom is here when it's in the high when it's in the high like when the freedom is palm have some like freedom is carino every palm is high guys really get describe the wow one way freedom is beer gun to in a port way on so see was them when a top freedom here when actualize laws public laws semba public laws is here on the Zanaba Zanaba laws actually has laws going to slave.
Theatre Mirror Imphal organized the 3rd Rajashri Bhaigachandra Drama Festival at Manipur Dramatic Union MDU Hall in Yeshul concluded today. Speaking in the event, MDU President Akam Kishore Gopal stressed the need to organize such festivals to encourage budding theatre artists.
모든 대례로 호독고리 구동 작업합니다. 아니나 페스티벌이 제절 이분이 구리방나 동원이 공원이 어디 거기들 레이트리 아니고 거기 카라카라디 산 나라가 라메동나 거기 제절 페스티벌 거기 엔티 제절나 머니푸르 왕국이 제절 유닛 파워 거기나 그 페스티벌 반도키 아니나 마시 양어 페스티벌 또 따라가지 페스티벌 그림나 동물이 영도버리나 거기 떠오르가 세비가 페스티벌 하라시다 그 제자기 아티스트나 뭐그 텔레네요 홍도국이 그런 자와 나라가를 파기.
Two poetry books, Shi Ngatani, written by Ibohal Singh Kangjam, and Nangi Isai Saktana Kanagibu Sakluni, written by Dilip Mayengbam, were released at the hall of Manipur Hindi Parishad today. President of Manipur Writers Forum, Lamabam Biramani, attended the event. Regular Voluntary Blood Donors Group Manipur, in collaboration with Jenims Hospital, organized a one-day blood donation camp at Blood Bank of Jenims today. Speaking to media, founder of Regular Voluntary Blood Donors Group Manipur, Narembam Netrajit, stated that the group organizes blood donation camp every 3 months to cope with the unavailability of blood in the state. 30 volunteers donated blood in the camp. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Home for Homeless, Sheikh Babu Macha Trust donates land for eviction victims of Khetri Bengun Mamangching. New residential area to be named Babu Khud. Efforts to expedite construction. Chief Minister Nongthom Ambiren assures completion of Civil Secretariat in Mantribukhi by February end. Feuds of vendors. Street vendors steer against licensed vendors of Kwalanban market. Urge government to have mercy of daily wage earning street vendors. And journalists revert. People remember investigative journalist N.K. Sanajauba on his 82nd birth anniversary at Lamyanba Shanglin today.